Hey guys, Caleb with Black Pearl Media here. Thank you so much for stopping by. And in this video, I'm going to show you a very tiny reef tank that I got for my desk. Now, if you're not new around here, you know that we're into cars. We got the 350Z, we got the Jeep, the G35 is outside, but it's getting cold. I don't have that much money to spend on the cars right now. When things get chilly like this, my hobby kind of switches a little bit. Let me show you something. This right here is my 40-gallon reef tank that they're just kind of waking up. The lights are just coming on. Lots of coral, bunch of fish, lots of different critters in here. And I absolutely love this hobby alongside with cars. Cars and corals, baby. I love them both. Now, at this point, you might be thinking to yourself, Caleb, why am I watching this video? Why are you posting about fish now? There's still time at the end of the season. There's still car things to do, and there certainly is. What you guys don't know is that we are working on a kind of a secret project. It's all car related, hoping to release that here soon. So I'm doing plenty of filming, editing, and producing this series, which I hope you guys will really enjoy. In the meantime, I mean, I haven't put out some long format content in a while. And fish tanks are something I'm really excited about. It's another one of my hobbies. I would say it's probably one of my big 3 or top 5 or whatever. And I'd love to hear what you guys have for your hobby. So if you guys don't mind, go down in the comments, share what you guys are into. You know, it could be fishing, dirt bikes, flying kites, soap carving. I don't know. Let me know. But I am interested. I'm interested. What are you guys into? But let's dive into the meat and potatoes of this video. If you guys haven't subscribed already, go ahead and do that before I show you the brand new fish tank that we're going to be setting up and taking a look at. All right, so to kind of understand where we're coming from, this is a 1-gallon pico reef tank. That's right, a saltwater fish tank. There's freshwater and there's saltwater. Freshwater have some really cool fish. I was into that for a while. Saltwater is a lot more challenging, but it's a lot more rewarding in my eyes because you can grow coral. Grow it, propagate it. There's a lot of different creatures you can get. You can get lobsters, you can get mantis shrimp, you can get clownfish, you can get all sorts of crazy designer fish and invertebrates and all that. This was an awesome challenge. This is a 1-gallon reef tank from a company called P-Tanks, and there's a whole challenge we were doing with a group of people. Bearded Reef, you know, I don't know if you're watching this, buddy, but he's been successful. I have not. So the company sends you out all the pieces and you go ahead and you glue them together, you cement them together. This was the first tank I had. You can see there's no water in it, so that's an issue. This here, if you can see, there's a crack down here which didn't seal all the way, and acrylic absorbs just a little bit of water. So this was actually successfully running for a few months, and I had coral in there, I had a fish in there, I had hermit crab in there, and it went really, really well. But I came down to a catastrophic failure on this bad boy, but I had a lot of fun putting it together. I just kind of messed up. So P-Tanks was very, very nice and kind, and they sent me out another one, which I promptly ruined. I was gluing it up, and it just kind of, I don't know, it pooled up, it went behind the backing paper, and it ruined the front display completely. So my fault, not P-Tank's fault. They make a great product, but I said, you know what? I gave it a try. I gave it 2 tries, and I got the itch for the smaller tank in that challenge because a smaller body of water, the parameters change so much faster, so it's a lot more difficult to keep. But I'm up to the task. I really want to try it out. So that brings me to our next product that came in the mail earlier than expected, came in yesterday, and I'm so stoked to show you guys. So let me show you. And that would be the eShop Deskmate 3.8-gallon Pico reef tank with a light and a pump. Can you believe it? Now, the nice thing about this tank and why I bought it is because it comes with a light and it comes with the pump that you need. It also comes with a filter sock. And those are 3 very main components that you need. And I think I have the other parts I need. You need a heater, and then, you know, the rock, the salt, the water, everything. But I have the fish tank there, so I can just pull from that. And it doesn't need much. It's only a 3.8 gallon, and I think 0.8 gallons or a gallon is in the baffling in the back, which I'll show you. So I'm gonna pull it out and we'll take a look at it. So let's go and do that. All right, and here's the tank. Small little guy, definitely bigger than the other one, but not very large. This is gonna be where it's gonna be sitting on the desk, which is great. So we'll just pull this out here. This is the light that comes with it. This is also from eShop. They tested the PAR, and the PAR meter is like how much light penetrates the water. It's important for coral growth, if you don't know that. This light should do everything we need to. If not, there's a couple backup lights that I have. This is your return pump. For all you car guys that are watching, if you're watching, I have a pump on the rear mount turbocharging system. This is kind of like what that's for. And it just turns the water over. This is in eShop's circa 100. That should be plenty flow to turn over the water in this tank. You also have the filter sock. So this is just for like filtration. You drop it in the back here. The water flows through it and it catches any nasty stuff and helps filter the water, and also the plumbing. You got your basic paperwork here. Not sure what these plastic things are for. I'm sure it has something to do with the plumbing. I'll figure that out later when we're setting it up, which we're gonna do in a different video. This is kind of more like an unboxing and kind of an introduction to this product and its presence on the channel. If you're a fish guy here and you haven't been to the channel, if you like cars, I'd love for you guys to subscribe. And if you're a car guy here and you knew me before all this fish stuff, I hope you continue to watch. But I promise this won't be all of the content. It won't just be fishing stuff, fishing coral stuff all the time. But this is awesome. This is my first look at this without the plastic on it. This is really cool. Let me show you. All right, so here's what it is. It is an acrylic tank with, you'd think all of the plastic is orange, but it's really just the base. So when you look at it from here, it's completely clear. But when you like come from an above view, it reflects through the long way of the acrylic, which is really cool. But what's awesome about this tank here is the filtration that's built right into it. So like I said, that filter sock goes right here, and you have plenty of room to add in media, protein skimmer, any sort of mods that you would like to. And then the return pump just goes in here, pumps it out, and it's all just one solid clean unit. I am extremely excited to start stocking this and putting water in it and just getting it set up. So I hope you guys stay tuned for that. That video is coming very soon. I'm probably gonna make it tonight or tomorrow. I just can't wait with these kind of things, and I'm just so excited to get this started. All right guys, before I wrap up this video, I just got to say thank you so much for sticking around. If you guys are new to the channel and you're more into aquariums and coral and all that, I hope that you guys stick around. I do a lot of shorter format content on all of my platforms, so you will see more aquarium stuff. And car guys, don't worry, I am going nowhere when it comes to car content, the 350Z, anything like that. But you guys will probably see a couple more videos of this tank and its process. So progress. So hopefully you guys stick around for that too. And in a way, guys, this really helps relieve stress while I'm editing these long format content and all of my edits, because I do a lot of editing. So it's really, really critical to have something that relieves stress. Like, there are studies about it. Fish tanks relieve stress. It is a thing. So if you're not into fish, I mean, if you have any questions, hit me up. DM me on Instagram, hit me up in the comments. I would be happy to help you out with that. It would really bring me a lot of joy. So hope you guys enjoy this series so far. Where is it? There it is. And I'll see you on the next one.